Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a pinion bearing on a Ram 1500. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands or a lift. Begin by draining the differential fluid and removing the rear wheels. Then, detach the drive shaft from the differential yoke. This initial preparation is crucial for safe and effective access to the pinion assembly. Next, carefully mark the drive shaft and pinion flange to ensure proper alignment during reinstallation. Use a large socket and breaker bar to loosen and remove the pinion nut. With the nut off, employ a specialized puller to detach the pinion flange. After removing the flange, you can then extract the old pinion seal and the outer pinion bearing. Now it's time for installation. Carefully press the new inner pinion bearing onto the pinion shaft. Then, install a new crush sleeve, which is critical for setting proper bearing per load. Follow this by installing the new outer pinion bearing. Before installing the new pinion seal, apply a thin layer of RTV sealant to its outer edge for a secure fit. Finally, reinstall the pinion flange, aligning your previous marks and thread on the new pinion nut. This is where precision is key. You'll need to carefully tighten the nut to achieve the correct pinion bearing per load, often requiring a specific inch-pound torque wrench, typically between 15 to 35 inch-pounds for new bearings. Reattach the drive shaft, refill the differential with the correct fluid, and check for leaks. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.